Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tapioca pearls big. First, you'll want to bring a generous amount of water to a vigorous boil. A good rule of thumb is to use at least 4 cups of water for every 1/4 cup of pearls. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your tapioca pearls and give them a gentle stir. Let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they happily float to the top. After your pearls have floated to the surface, it's time to reduce the heat. Lower it to a gentle simmer, cover the pot, and let them continue cooking for another 15 minutes. This slow simmer is key to achieving that perfect chewiness. Once that time is up, turn off the heat completely, but keep the pot covered. Let them rest for an additional 15 minutes. This step is crucial for maximum tenderness. Now that your pearls are perfectly cooked, it's time to rinse them. Drain them using a fine mesh sieve and rinse thoroughly under cold running water. This removes any excess starch, preventing them from clumping together. For a delightful sweetness, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 2 tablespoons of sugar in about 1/4 cup of warm water. Soak your rinsed pearls in this syrup for at least 10 minutes. They'll absorb that lovely sweetness. Your perfectly cooked tapioca pearls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately in your favorite bubble tea, desserts, or other treats. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with a little simple syrup in the refrigerator. For the best texture and flavor, try to consume them within 1 to 2 days. You can serve them chilled or gently warm them up, depending on your recipe and preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.